hide all posts on Facebook from public or friends. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. If you'd like to do so, in today's video, we are going to limit who will be seeing all of our posts. So let's just get started. You can start by opening the Facebook application on your device and you can hide most of your posts from the public or friends by using the limit past post feature. For that, once you access the Facebook application, you can tap on the menu icon in the top right corner. And once you tap on it, your menu should be accessed on your account. From here, you can go to settings, scroll down and find settings and privacy and tap on it. And once you tap on it, you can tap on settings and access your Facebook settings. And once you access your Facebook settings, what you can do is you can basically go over to the audience section here or audience and visibility, where you will be finding option for post. So go ahead and find the option called post and go ahead and tap on it. And once you tap on it, it should open up this post section on your screen. From here, you can limit who can see your past post. So we have this option called who can see your future post. Tap on it first. And after you tap on it, you can select your audience to hide all your posts. So if you want to hide it, you can select the only me option. After that, you can tap on save, and once you do so, the post should be saved. Similarly, you can limit who can see your past post, like all of your posts that you have posted on past. Further, look out for the view option and tap on it. And once you tap on it, you can just go ahead and tap on this option called limit past post. And once you confirm it, you can confirm that. And once you do so, the past post should be limited, and that action will change all of your public posts to be visible to your friends only, but it does not affect the post that you were tagged in. And that's it. So therefore, you can follow up this process in order to do so. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.